thought that we'll build our space, and we reached out to this company called Build Your Space Interiors, and it's really good. You could see the kind of work they've done. This whole setup wherein right from designing to building and to finishing they provide everything. तो हम लोगों का आप देख सकते हो काफी अच्छे से काम complete हुआ. It was within time, it was within budget, it was with proper hygiene standards, and everything was just good. And we had this contact in terms of Nileshi, who was available throughout the journey, and he just took care of all our requirements. So yeah, we are very happy and we really like our space now.